Hello guys, how are you? Hello guys, how are you? So guys, I'm trying to do a live stream with you so that we can discuss about the market conditions. So let me gather some guys into our trading room, then we will discuss about the market opportunities right now. Okay guys, I'm going to message that you can ask technical analysis of any chart do you want me to analyze, so I will analyze it for you. Okay, right guys, so I think let's get started. So if any one of you that want me to analyze any chart, then he or she can write into the chat box, otherwise I'm going to start myself. So guys, any chart that you want me to analyze, you can simply write your message into the chat box and I will analyze it for you, right? So okay, fine. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So first of all, I'm on a USD CHF chart. So if you remember that into the last analysis that I have done on USD CHF, I have clearly mentioned about this thing that it's into the upward pattern, and for some short time the market can go down and again it will be up. So I think somewhere here I have provided you my analysis. So for the short time market was down and now you can see market is again into the upward direction, right? Okay, now if you ask me that what do you think about uh, the forecast of USD CHF, so guys, it's looking very strong at the moment and you can see it has also break the highest point of the market, so looks like that the market will keep to continue its upward direction. Okay, so it can go up to 1.01300. The next level for the market can be this level, right? So USD CHF is bullish into the bullish factor from my side. So please note down that signal from my side, right? Okay, at next we have gold. So if you remember guys, I have already provided you with my forecast that the gold is onto the weaker side. The forecast video is already live on YouTube and you can watch the previous video and you can see gold is again dropped from these levels that what I have already I have predicted this move already, right? Okay, now let's have a look at how it can perform further on gold so that I can tell you about the possible chances, right? Okay guys, for me, if you ask me, then it can go down further up to this area, and this area stands at 1775, 1777 or 78. This could be the possible area for gold, and then at this point you can again expect the market to bounce into the upward direction. So guys, please note down this area that I have told you, that 1775, 76, 78, this is the area for the daily candle, and from here again the market can pump into the upward direction. So this is the crucial point for gold, that from where it can move into the upward direction, right? Okay, so we have analyzed two charts right now. The one is USD CHF, the second one is gold that we have just analyzed. So coming back to the 1 hour chart, and let's have a look on Euro USD. Okay, so if you look at this pattern was completely ranging on Euro USD, but right now if you look that the market is already into the downward side, and because you know that today a lot of volatility is to be seen into the market today, so we have to take the judge it from the higher time frames. Okay guys, so just note down this point, that somewhere here at 1.02, let me give you an idea, somewhere here at 1.02 or 1.03, somewhere here Euro USD can again build a bullish pressure. Right now you can see that things are going into the downward direction. Don't worry about it. The next move can be up as per my prediction. So just keep an eye on the 1 hour chart, and I have given you my words, my prediction, the possible prediction that I have given, that it can drop up to 1.02, 1.03, and again it can find some good momentum for the upward direction, right? Okay, that's great. So we have analyzed 3 charts. At next we are into USD Jpy, right? Okay, if you talk about the USD Jpy, then guys, from here I will stand bullish on USD Jpy at the current levels, and I am expecting the market to reach into the 129 levels again, right? Okay, Crazy World says gold. Okay brother, I have already highlighted the gold position, that going on to the daily chart, it looks just a second brother, I have just highlighted about it. Okay, I have highlighted the point because right now it has chances to go further down up to 1778, 1779. This could be the place where the gold can go down. So still it's into the bearish zone, and then from this levels the market will again can get a bullish pressure again. So right now the selling opportunities looks like open on gold, right guys? And you can also write in chat box if you also want me to analyze any chart, like the question is asked for Crazy World, and I have already answered that question. So guys, this is the option. Okay, talked about USD Jpy. I have told you that I have a bullish expectation from the level where it is standing right now. It's kind of into the bullish pressure at the moment, right? So just keep an eye on USD Jpy, it's into the bullish zone. Okay, at next we have Usd Cad. Okay, so if you ask me about the signal, so guys, I can be very sure I'm predicting the market to be onto the downward side from this levels, right? It can move back into 1.29436 levels. The market can lose its momentum from this area, and if you look at this candle, there you can see that we have already one rejection from the market in the form of the red candle. So the next move can be the downward move. So buying is not wise for USD Cad at this point, right? So please avoid buying on USD Cad at these levels. At next we have Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, we have to analyze this chart as well. So let's have a look what's going on. Okay guys, so on a Great Britain Pound JPY, where the market stands right now, so guys, looks to be bullish in my opinion, and because already we have a drop and we have some reason to believe that it can go back again into 158 levels from my side. So guys, my expectation on Great Britain Pound JPY is bullish. Okay guys, if you want me to analyze any chart of your own choice, you can write that chart into the chat box and I will be going to analyze it for you, right? Okay, the next one is Aud Jpy, right? Okay, AUD JPY, let me have a look. Oh, okay guys, it looks like somehow it's maintained not a very good place to. Guys, it's kind of a 50-50 signal on AUD Jpy. However, the more chances are still to be onto the weaker side. I mean, the market can go into the 86 levels from my side, because it has 50% chances to go up and the 50% chances to go down. But being a senior trader, I can advise you that if you find any bearish opportunities, that could be a better option to trade AUD Jpy. Okay, we are on to Great Britain Pound USD chart right now, guys. So let me have a look on the 1 day so that I can guide you about it. Okay. Okay guys, it's at the place where you can look. Guys, here we have already the arrow that I have provided, I think so. Okay guys, it's already into the yes Daniel, I'm coming to AUD, brother, don't worry. Okay, so here I can say that it can slightly go, sorry, it can slightly go little bit down, then it has to come up because it's into the zone somewhere here, somewhere here. So maybe you will see that Great Britain Pound USD will go further down and then it will be going into the upward direction. So overall, asking for my signal that is bullish. Okay, so Daniel asked AUD USD please. Okay brother, so I'm going to analyze AUD USD first for you and then we will work on other pairs. Okay. So here we are, you can see a sound downward trend on AUD USD, right? Let me see, guys, it's into the weaker side at the moment. I mean, we don't have any good signs on the 1 hour chart. However, I need to look on the daily chart. Okay. Okay. So guys, I'm telling you this area is very much crucial, this one. Right now if you ask me, then AUD USD can have a slight further drop. I mean, it can, right now you can see the price is at 0.68668, right? So slightly up to 0.67. I mean, this is the difference that is coming in my analysis. So maybe this is the difference. The market can go further bearish and again it should be bullish and then it should be going to test somewhere 0.69 or 0.70. So after a slight bearish move, AUD USD should be technically into the upward direction. So it's not very much far to be go into the bullish direction. So if you ask me for my personal trade, then guys, I should be bullish on AUD USD, but I will prefer it to buy it little bit further down. Right now the buying is not a good option, so let it come more down so that we can buy into the trade, right? So hopefully Daniel, you must be clear about AUD USD. Okay, at next we have Euro JPY. So let's have a look on Euro JPY. Okay, so let me see the past history as well. Okay guys, it's kind of a mixed pattern here, but overall let me see clearly. Okay, so let me have a look onto the, welcome Daniel, welcome brother, that's not an issue. So just buy USD little bit down, then you will be fine. Okay brother, things are not good on the daily chart, because if you look on Euro JPY, it's already a massive drop already reached today. So coming back to the 1 hour chart, and then I think so we should stay bearish on Euro JPY. It's not into the good zones, and let it give it a try to reach into the 131 levels. So further drop can be expected on Euro JPY. Yes, hello Trump TV. Yes brother, if you want me to analyze any chart, any technical analysis, you can simply ask into the chat box and I will analyze that chart for you, right? Okay, so guys, I have given you my signals about the Euro JPY as well. So next we have Great Britain Pound CAD. Okay, So it's mainly into the downward trend. However, it's looking little bit. So guys, it could be a scalping chance. I mean, when it comes back further again down, then you can buy it again. Great Britain pound CAD 1 hour. It could be a good option, a healthy option to take a buy position on Great Britain pound CAD, right? At next we have a kind of a slope here, CHF JPY, but today you can see it is also into the downward side. So let me have a look. Okay guys, somewhere here we can believe that where the CHF JPY stands right now can have a bullish pressure, and it can pump the market up to 129.500. So this could be the possible zone for a CHF JPY to go again up. And you can see that guys, I am using the candles, and if I turn into Heikin, then you can see I am using two colors, green and the red one. So I think so the red should be done and the green candles should be start for the Heikin trend. Okay, AUD CHF. Okay guys, so this is a good signal from my side. This signal has more confidence. AUD CHF on a 1 hour chart looks promising to go into the upper direction. So it can go into 0.68 and it can also go into 0.69 even if you are lucky enough. But overall, it's in a good point to enter into the buy position based on the technical analysis, and this is kind of a touch and go trade, right? Okay, AUD CAD is next. AUD CAD dropped a lot today. Okay, fine. So guys, just note down that signal as well. This is the area. This is the area. I'm pointing the area here. This could be the area if you see that the market is somewhere at 0.888 or 89, then there could be a possible bullish chance on AUD CAD. So this signal has already come into range, but a little bit more weight can give you more good entry on AUD CAD, right? Okay, at next we have Nzd Ust. Okay, Nzd USD, let's analyze its chart. So much weak on the 1 hour, so much weak. So let's have a look onto the daily so that we can see Nzd, that how it's performing onto the daily. Okay, so my trading view is a bit stuck. Okay, don't worry. Okay guys, for Nzd USD, look, already I pointed a sell signal. So guys, if you ask me what to do on Nzd USD, what should be my signal, what should be my technical analysis, then I will stay surely bearish because it's into the very weak zone from my side. So the market can go and test 0.61 levels and 0.061 400, something like this. So you have a good chance. I mean, if you set up a good stop loss and trade this area, this could be the nice job for you guys. It's into the weak zone at the moment, right? Okay, next we have Euro AUD, a perfect signal. So guys, this is kind of a good signal. Euro AUD to be going to test 1.5 tetra 0. It's into the weaker zone. Euro AUD 1 hour chart, there are no good signs on the chart to be bullish. The market can be into the downward size, and this is my signal, my technical analysis, my forecast for the coming day or tonight, whatever you think, that after this that you can see that Euro AUD can go into the downward direction. Okay, let's talk about Great Britain pound NZD. Okay guys, let it go further up. On the 1 hour you can see Great Britain pound NZD is making the bullish pressure. Somewhere here you will see that it will get a rejection somewhere here at 1.959 and 1.96. So possibly 1.96 is the rejection level on Great Britain pound NZD. Okay guys, it's always good that when I do the technical analysis and forecast of the market, you better should have a notepad and the ballpoint with you so that you can write down the signals on a page. Otherwise, guys, you will forget that on which pair what were my thoughts. So it's a good option that if you write them. Okay. Similarly, by following this, that the market set at the peak level on Great Britain Pound AUD. So Great Britain Pound AUD is also expected to get a drop from 1.78310 or possibly 1.78500. So right now buying this Great Britain Pound AUD is not a good option. Already the move is done and we should avoid it, right? Okay, so this is Nzd Jpy that has suffered a huge loss today, and let's have a look what's happening here. Okay guys, I am giving my scalping signal on Nzd Jpy. So somewhere where it stands right now, it can be bullish and going to test the 80.564 Nzd Jpy. This is a bullish zone for Nzd Jpy, right? So better you turns your candles into Heikin-Ashi, and when you will see on 1 hour that the green candles are in formation, then you can simply add a buying trade on Nzd Jpy, right? Okay, Euro Cad, I think Euro Great Britain Pound. So Euro Great Britain Pound, let's have a look. Okay, so guys, it looks to me that what can we do here? Okay, so guys, this is at a point, a very confusing point, not a very good point as well. So overall, if you ask me about my signal on Euro Great Britain Pound 1 hour, then somewhere here at this stage it should be bullish and it can reach back into 0.85600, 0.85552 or 60 for Euro Great Britain Pound. Bullish signs are coming onto the chart as per the technical analysis, right? Okay, so let's have a look finally on Bitcoin so that we can see we have already seen a very good drop on Bitcoin. So right now guys, things are not very much good onto the 1 hour chart. Let's have a look on the 1 day chart. Okay guys, it's into the very strange zone right now. But if you ask my scalping signal, because the crypto is not stable these days, so if you ask me about Bitcoin, then for the scalping purpose you can buy it up to 31,000. This could be the 31,000 option on the 1 hour chart, and rest I do not take very long trades because crypto is not stable right now. Okay guys, I have highlighted you the major currency pairs of Forex, and I'm also going to guide you with US 500 as well. Okay, now you can see I have predicted already US 500 to be bearish, and you can see the arrow is still here and the market is already down as well. So our forecast also went very good on US 500. Let me see if any option is coming. Okay, US 500 going to the daily chart. So what we see here, any signs? Okay, so guys, this is the area. I'm giving the signal based on the 1 hour, coming back to the 1 hour, and I'm going to give a signal that is possibly, you can see green candle is appearing somewhere here. You will find that US 500 can get again a bullish pressure, and it can reach up to 3975, right? So the pressure can be good as well, but overall still into the downward trend, so you can find some retracement from this level, right? US 100. Okay, so US 100, somehow my prediction went fine for the previous day. You can see from this point I highlighted you, so it was a scalping signal that was fine. Okay, no problem. Okay, right now where the market stands, let me check another data. So going to the 1 day chart. Okay, so US 100 going to 1 day chart. Okay guys, personally, to be honest, on the daily candle I am not very much satisfied with the US 100 performance. Looks more bearish to me, so the next target can be 1111200. So bearish signs are on US 100. Still it can go further down, so it's a downward signal from my side. US 30. Okay, let's have a look on US 30. First of all, let's analyze daily. So guys, things are even not good on daily as well. US 30. Okay guys, this is kind of a signal where we can say that the market can still go further down, and maybe it's going to touch 31200 or 31,000. So this is the case here guys. Okay, so this is the case that it can be further into the downward direction, US 30, right? Okay, and at next we have NAS 100. NAS 100 somehow went up as per my prediction, and then it dropped. Have a look onto the 1 hour. No, not a good signs. So going to the daily, and if we analyze the NAS 100 daily, guys, again the same thing. Things are really not good, so looks like that more down is to come. So I'm giving you small targets. I mean, your next target should be 11,200. 11,200 can be the next target on NAS, guys, right? Okay, so SP500. SP500, let's discuss about it. Okay, so somewhere here guys, on the daily candle, we can expect a bullish pressure, and the level is, that is 3854.74, 3854.70, sorry. So this is the level for SP500. There could be a possible bullish chance from this area. So guys, hopefully I have shown you the technical analysis and given the technical analysis on the major currency pairs, and even including NAS, US 30, US 100, US 500, and even Bitcoin. So hopefully guys, you can trade with that option, and you can also analyze your charts. But this is what I think about the market. So please let me know into the chat box or into the comment section, those even who are going to watch this video with this live stream. After that, they can show me their comments. Thank you very much guys. So let's end up this, and then we will come